Good morning, happy Monday. So I just got up. I'm going to take the recycling out and then I'm gonna get ready for the day. I have a lot to do today. Today is Lunar Faire. It's crazy. This is going to be my first market by myself, which I've never done. So I'm a little bit anxious, but I think I should be able to get it done and make it work. But I have work at 11 and then I'm helping with interviews at the student union, so hopefully everything goes well. Yeah, that's pretty much the plan for today. Then after that I'm gonna come home, do the last minute things I need to do for Lunar Faire, and then get ready to head that way. I'm leaving here about 3:30, so I'm there between 4 and 4:30 to get set up. It starts at 6, so fingers crossed that everything goes well and it goes off without a hitch or anything. Hello, so now I'm going to the post office to drop off any orders that came in this weekend after Saturday, because I went to the post office early on Saturday. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anything that came in after like 10 a.m. on Saturday, I packed up and I'm taking to the post office now. Then I'm going to grab breakfast from Dunkin'. The people at my Dunkin' know who I am at this point, because I've been, when I'm running late, ordering from there. I'm not getting coffee because I still have coffee left over from Starbucks yesterday. I couldn't finish it, so I'm getting a refresher and a sandwich. So I will see y'all. Probably I'll film like whenever I go into the post office, and then I will show you guys the Dunkin' when I get it. I just got home. I'm gonna go print off the things I need to print for Lunar Faire, and then I'm going to try and get my car organized a little bit so it's less of a hassle whenever I get there. And that's the vibe right now. Gotta make sure there's nothing else that I need to pick up before I go. And yeah, it's gonna be a hectic day. It's about 2 right now. I need to leave no later than 3:30, so wish me luck. I'm a little nervous that this is my first festival that I'm going to be doing by myself, but I think it's going to be okay. I think I got this. I know I got this. I'm gonna do fine, so wish me luck. I'm going to go do those things. I'll probably film while I'm doing them, and then, you know, we'll get this show on the road. Alright guys, it is go time. I'm going to get food and then head to Lunar Faire. That is not a good angle. There we go. So I'm doing this all by myself this time. I'm nervous. I'm excited. Taking that off for now. It's just me in my car, but I'm going to stop at Burger King and get food, and I brought a snack so that if I get hungry tonight, I have something. I'm going to pee when I get there, and then get unloaded and get set up, and I will show you guys the entire journey. I can't promise how much I'll record while I'm actually there, because I will have to be at my booth the entire time, but I will try to record some. That guy was going way too fast on that road. But I will try to record some while I am there. And yeah, hopefully I meet some cool people and get to know some new folks. I made really good friends with my vendor neighbor to the left of me last time, so hopefully I make good friends again. But I'm going to Burger King right now. so I'm trying to be there closer to 4. That way I have more time to set up, but I don't want to be there so early that like I like have to take my money box with me if I have to go to the bathroom and things like that. And I also wanted to be able to eat before I went. Oh, the line is long at Burger King. We love that. I guess I'm gonna have to go the whole way around to be able to get in line. Is there someone trying to get in line from behind? And I can't just pull in that way. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. I mean, right now it's saying I'll be there like a little after 4. So, regardless, I have plenty of time. Also, Burger King is the closest thing to my house. I guess I don't know what I'm gonna get. Probably a Whopper. My car is super loud because my tailpipe bracket is loose again. I need to tighten it, but I just haven't because I have been so busy. I need to tighten it before I go to Firefly though this weekend. Also, that's another thing. Firefly is happening this weekend. I literally have so much going on this week. I have so much going on every week. Who am I kidding? But yeah, so I don't know. I don't know what I was gonna say. My entire car is packed. Look behind me, there's the tables, all the stuff in the back. My stepdad is getting me a trailer. Well, got me a trailer. So hopefully next summer I'll be able to do traveling markets, and that'll be like my full-time thing over the summer. I don't know. I'm very excited to make my side hustle into my main hustle. I'm also working towards some other things that I want to be working on, and yeah, the goal is to, at least for the crystal part of my business, eventually have separate stock for online versus in-person sales. That way I don't have to keep updating everything, but right now, like with how small I am, it's easier to just keep updating everything. Not on me, it's not easier on me, but money-wise it's easier. So hopefully I can, you know, get everything kind of settled and figured out, and then things will get a little bit easier, breezier come next summer. It's literally going to be such a wild ride. I'm excited, I'm nervous, very nervous. Tonight is going to be like a big test for me to see if I'm going to be able to do this next summer by myself, traveling to these vendor fairs and vending and things like that. But I know I can do it. I literally like have so much faith in myself. I want this dream to happen, and I have been working really hard on it. So I need to prove to myself tonight that I can do it. Like, I have this, and like whether it's like school or work, like I always like doubt myself a little bit, and I feel like that's just because like I do all these great things and I'm just like, okay, but like what is someone else doing? And I need to stop comparing myself to other people. I got really deep for a second. I don't know why I'm so deep in the Burger King drive-thru, but regardless, I am making my dream happen, and that's the whole goal, is to make my dream happen. I was talking to someone today, I was like, yeah, like I have a night market tonight, and like I was supposed to have class today, and I emailed my professor and I was like, hey, like I'm not coming, like this is gonna be the only class I miss, but I wanted to let you know. And he like told me, he's like, that's so great for you, like you really like need to take this opportunity, so happy about that. But yeah, I don't know, things have been a little rough with being a full-time student, working on my honors thesis, business, being in charge of a few different clubs and organizations on campus, and working 20 hours a week. So I'm definitely figuring it out, even if, you know, it is taking me longer than I would have liked. I'm getting things together, and this business is going to become a full-time gig. I know that. It's just a matter of getting it to the point where it does. Yeah, so that's the vibe right now. I need to order more business cards after tonight. I'm going to be ordering more crystals again after tonight. I have 2 big wholesale orders on the way. It's really everything that like has to do with my business right now. I want to eventually get a banner. I want to eventually get a card scanner. I eventually want to get a Rolo printer for my online orders. Like, I have so many goals and so many like things, and it's like I just keep like surpassing them and achieving them, and I put so much money back into my business every time that I make it. Like last Lunar Faire, all that money, I have like $28 of it left because I put it back in. Just fine. Like, I'm not complaining. It's just like I can't believe that like I made that amount of money and like I put it all back in, and it's just like I can't wait to see what continues happening. Also, this person in front of me, because I'm like behind the speaker. Oh, I'm driving up now. It's taking forever to order. Hi, can I get a number 1 with cheese, no tomato, and a Dr. Pepper?
What size?
Medium.
Number 1 with cheese, no tomato?
Yep.
You said number 1 with cheese, no tomato, medium, with the what Dr. Pepper?
Yes.
Or anything else?
Nope.
You can drive off, thank you.
I feel so bad because my car is so loud, and the exhaust is always like right in the speaker. So I have to like scream, and I feel bad. Alright guys, I'm gonna get my food, and I will see you guys when I get to Lunar Faire. So I did not film at Lunar Faire. I overestimated the amount of time that I would have to film being there by myself. Yeah, if you want to see pictures, go to my business Instagram, but I'm exhausted. It is 1 a.m. I'm gonna edit this vlog and go to bed because, yeah, it's been a long day. Tomorrow's gonna be an even longer one, but this